So we just heard the first start with the long tube. What do you think, bro?
God.
That thing was loud. What do you think, Noah? Louder than your car? Yeah. Alright, go ahead, bro.
That's like I've ever said it.
Are you live?
You should start up like this on.
We gotta get this bad boy installed so we can run around open headers. Come on, bring it over here.
Alright, bro.
Pop the trunk.
Pop the trunk? What trunk? Oh. Pop the trunk. And then this bad boy over here, it's getting some new mufflers. Magna floors too.
Keep going.
And this one.
Pour the exhaust off that hoe. This hoe. And maybe a cat delete. Aye. Keep going.
Alright, keep going. And then on this one, bro. What are we
pour
doing?
the exhaust with the bore of the muffler off this one, put it on that one, and it's gonna straight pipe from right there.
Yep, it's gonna be popping.
Whoa, damn, bro.
Camden.
Where was I? Look at this mother.
That was happening, bro.
Oh, we're having to like trim off the little piece of plastic. Nothing big.
He bought the X5 for $320. How much you paid for it?
$317.
17. And they have to
And it
cut
doesn't
it.
fit.
BBK.
Yeah, it doesn't fit.
So now they're having to
It's
trim
really
the.
made for my car and doesn't fit.
Now
It
they have
seems like
to.
everything with this car has had to be fucking trimmed, bent, all kinds of.
Your starter. That thing.
My starter, my motor mount had to be trimmed.
But yeah, that one's getting done.
Everything's been fabric. You wouldn't think with a car like this, if you go mono something, you need a ton of fabric.
And Noah's is getting done. They're just putting some little muffler. And then after that, the SVT's going in, and then the Camry. Yeah. Done. They got everything welded in there. Nice and perfect. Yep. But
And we had to
We're
shut up a
about to-
$317 X5 to make it fit. But they did it. Freaking Brown's Muffler Shop is the best.
there we go. What do you think, Camden?
I think this is the only time that boy hasn't looked at me.
Sounds really good.
That's
what do you think, Noah?
That's a power move. That's what I think.
What do you think, Cam? Zach? That's really pretty good.